Under this lighting, it may look a little more of like a antifreeze green color, which I guess actually it sort of is in person as well. Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from PLML. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a fairly quick one. We're just going to open up the newest release of Magnus Walker's 964 Porsche, and it is the one on the right side of the screen, which is like a mint green Spectraflame, if you're unfamiliar with it. And it's this one right here. And I brought in the original release, which is back here in the very back in the case. And the second RLC release was this one, which was a kind of like more of a dark standard glossy paint. The original one was more of a chrome black, I would say, Spectraflame. And of course we have like this mint green, or I call it like an ice green color Spectraflame. We'll get right into it. So this is the newest one right here, and they are unnumbered. And you do have to be, or you did have to be, a Redline Club member to purchase this online if you're unfamiliar with the RLC. There's the back of the pack. So here we go with it out of the pack. It's pretty wicked looking. Under this lighting, it may look a little more of like a antifreeze green color, which I guess actually it sort of is in person as well. You might be able to see from the interior, it is a tan, appears to be like a camel color interior with the tartan seats, I think is what's supposed to be, or is it light? Look, almost looks like blue, almost like martini, like a red and blue stripes on the seats. I can't tell there. You can kind of see it there. This one does have the engine compartment does open up on it, much like the first and second release. Very cool. It says Outlaw on the plate. I think this one, the wheels, I think you can move the wheels, the rims out, right? I think it's this one. Yeah, you can push them. You can push the wheels. You can push the rims back. Don't know why it won't focus. It's freaking annoying. You can, yeah, you can push the deep dish. You can make them more deep dish, or you can push the lip back in if you'd like. Oh, there, yeah, the front just snapped in. That's crazy. So that's pretty cool. I don't know how I'm gonna get that back. There, just push it back out. That's pretty cool. So I think I have them out as far as they'll go. So there we have a little bit deeper dish wheels. Pretty cool. This does have a satin black metal base. Of course, real rider tires and wheels if you're unfamiliar, but like I said, they are adjustable width if you would like to make it more of a deep dish. As my friends and I joke about, deep dish pan pizza wheel. Very, very cool. This one I think looks 1,000 times better out of the pack, in my opinion, in person than what it looked online. I wasn't super impressed with it online. I didn't care for the I'd say it's like a bronze gold color, like a dirty gold, the stripes. I didn't care for that, the tampos on the hood, but in person it kind of works, ties in the interior, and of course goes with the centers of the rims, the wheel color, of course. But it's really nice in person. I'll show the second one if you guys aren't familiar. I probably have a video somewhere of this one. I don't think the wheels are adjustable. Oh, maybe they are on that. I didn't know that. The wheels are adjustable on that older one too. I had no idea. That's cool. You learn something new every day. I just thought it was on the newer ones. This one's probably my favorite out of them because it's just so well done. It looks like the real car. It's kind of like a dark gray. I'm not sure if his real car has that salsa colored interior. I think it does, You can see there, it's very, very, very well done. There's a roll bar in there. This is probably one of my favorites. This one's really cool. Lots of details on it. The 1552 logo on the door. I'm not sure if the real car has that, but that's who milled out the wheels for Magnus Walker. And you can buy your own set from them. A lot of the Volkswagen guys buy 1552 wheels. Really cool. So we'll put them together here. Here is the Spectraflame gray version here. I'm pretty sure I have a video on this somewhere on my channel. I'll try to put all the links at the end of the video then for the other ones. I never tore this all out of the pack because the way they have this all mounted, the figure's glued to the stand. So I kind of like never removed it. And I figured, well, the other gray car is pretty darn similar to this, so I'm not even going to bother. I'll just leave this in. I just display the whole thing in my case on as is like that. So not a huge deal. So there we can see all three of them up together on my turntable. I don't think it's going to work if I try to turn it with the case there. So we'll get that one out of the way. It's so cold out here in my garage. You can see how slow my turntable is moving. It's hardly moving at all. It's fairly cold out here, right? I like to film in the garage because the lighting's pretty decent out here. But unfortunately, this, I don't know if the batteries are going kaplooey or what here. Come on. Come on. Slowly it's coming around, as you can see. So either the batteries are shot, but it is very cold out here, and I'm in a t-shirt, which is probably not the smartest thing. I'll just have to speed the film up then, because this is taking a while for it to come around. But as we can see, they both look pretty spectacular together. The real car obviously is looks more like the one that's the gray there, but so this is fictional, that paint scheme on the left there with the mint green, but it works somehow. Looks pretty good. So there you go. I thought you guys would like this. Try to keep it under like 10 minutes if possible. I will be doing probably more shorts because the way the algorithm and stuff is, nobody's watching any of the longer videos anymore from what I'm kind of researched and looked into my history, and only like I think it's only a few percent of my subscribers watch the videos. It's a crazy number. Like 91% of people watch my stuff are not even subscribed. So please consider, if you're a diecast lover and or like other toys, sometimes I have DIY stuff on my channel that actually pay the bills somewhat. So we'll see how the shorts do as well, but please take the time to hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Like, share, all that good stuff, and don't forget to hit the bell too for notifications when you subscribe. But like I said, I know I slowed down in the past doing the full videos, and when I do them, I'm going to try to keep them under 10 minutes. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you guys have any comments or questions or anything, post them down below. I love hearing from you guys, and I will try to keep doing as many clips as I can. I'll mostly probably be doing shorts because, like I said, for whatever reason, everybody's attention span is like a squirrel on caffeine. So, of course, that's the way it just is right now. Unfortunately, that only pays 14 cents for every 1,000 views. So it's pretty darn pathetic. But anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye now.